Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question why your earbuds LG TONE Free so quiet. And the first one, maybe you need to clean a grill. So remove ear tips from your earbuds and right here, okay, I will show it on this one, and right here we have a grill. You can use a toothbrush to clean it. I have cleaning tools for it, so just slightly clean this grill. Then if this problem only for the one of your earbuds, we can change sound balance. So I will show it to you firstly on this iPhone and then on Android device. On your iPhone, open settings, and then you need to go to accessibility, it under the general settings. Then scroll down. No, you need to find hearing, and right here we have audio and visual. Click on it, and scroll down again, and right here we have volume balance. So if it's problem with the right earbud, you can increase it to the right by moving this slider to the right, and for the left one the same, just move it to the left. But once you increase it for the one of your earbuds, it will lower the volume on your second earbud, so you need to know it. Also, maybe your problem is just your earbuds too old, so maybe you need to change it. And the last one, if it didn't help you, I recommend to contact customer service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, sorry, I forgot to show you how to change it on Android device. So let's move to Android. And on your Android device, also open settings, and you need to find accessibility. On my Pixel 8, it's located at the bottom. Click on it and then scroll down again. You need to find here audio adjustment. Right here at the bottom also I have it, and right here we have audio balance. To increase it for the left earbud, just move the slider to the left, and for the right, just move it to the right. But once you increase it for the one earbud, you will lower it. You will lower the volume on your left earbud or right earbud, the second earbud. And now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.